Okay, good afternoon class. So today we're looking at worksheet 2. And worksheet 2 is on page 83, correct? This is algebraic expressions revision. Okay, before we go into equations. Right, so let's go to the first one, number 1. You got 7a minus a plus 2b plus 3a. So what we're going to do here, we're going to group like terms, not so? Right. So in other words, we got 7a, negative a and 3a. So what's 7a minus a? 6a. 6a plus 3a? So that will be 9a plus 2b. Okay, you guys understand? Any confusion there? Let's look at the next one. Number 2. Got negative 4a minus 3a plus a. Are they all like terms? Huh? Yes. So negative 4a minus 3a is negative 7a. Negative 7a plus a? Negative 6a. Okay. Okay, number 3. Is 2abc the same as BCA, which is the same as, or like terms to CBA? Yes. Okay. So what is 2abc plus 1abc? 3abc. 3abc minus 5abc. Negative 2abc. You all agree with that? Any confusion there? Number 4. Is a squared like terms to a cubed? No. Is a squared the same as a? Is a cubed the same as a? No. They're not like terms. Although the variable is the same, the unknown is the same, which is a. However, since the exponents are not the same, they are not considered as like terms. Okay. So negative 2a squared is a like term to negative a squared, which is answer.
Is it dark Cornelius in this class? Thank you.
So 3a cubed is a like term to? 3a cubed is a like term to? Negative a cubed. And 5a is a like term to 3a. You see that, people? So what's negative 2a squared minus 1a squared? Negative 3a squared. What is 3a cubed minus 1a cubed? Positive 2a cubed. And what is 5a plus 3a? You all agree with that? Okay. Having problems with the board? Just be with me. Okay, you all agree with that? Alright, let's carry on with the lives. Number 5. Is a squared b the same as a b squared? No, it's unlike them. Not so. Why? Because the exponents or the indices, or the indices or the index are different. So the answer to this will remain 2a squared b minus ab squared. Okay. You all understand? Let's carry on. Number 6. Number 6, we have 5x minus 2y plus 2y. Are they all like terms to each other? No. It's only negative 2y and positive 2y is like terms. So what is, so 5x on its own, so I say 5x. So what's minus 2y plus 2y? 0. So just write y, not so? No, you don't just write the y. Because if you write y on its own, then there's a 1 in front. Not so? And 2 minus 2 is 0, or minus 2 plus 2 is 0, so they cancel. So if you want, you can put plus 0, and then in the next step you write 5x, or you can just write 5x. Okay? Yes? Why's your finger up? Your presentation you'll do afterwards, don't worry. Right, let's carry on. Number 7. So we've got 3m to the exponent 4 times 2m to the exponent 3. Do we need to look for like terms here? Now when do we look for like terms? You add and subtract. Yes.
Thank you.
Pleasure. Alright, so when we're multiplying and bases are the same way? Add the exponents. Not so? So what is 3? m 4 times 2m cubed? 6m 7. Why? When we're multiplying and bases are the same way? Add the exponents. So look at number 8. Alright, so looking here, what needs to be done first? Square on the exponent, not so? On the bracket, the square on the bracket needs to be done first. Okay. So what do we have? 2 squared is going to be 4. So I can write 4 or 2 squared. M to the exponent 4 times 3m cubed. What is 4 times 3? 12. M4 times M3. M7. You all agree with that? Inside the brackets, are they like terms? Yes, I must add those first. So that's going to give us 4 times, what's 2p plus 3p? 5p. And 4 times 5p? 20p. Okay. Let's look at number 10. Are these like terms inside the brackets? No. So here I have to multiply it. Okay? You all agree with that? Let's multiply. 4 times 2p is 8p. 4 times 3. Can we add them? Why not? Number 11. Are the terms inside the bracket like? No. So what do I do? Multiply to get rid of the brackets. So 6 times 2a? 12a. 6 times negative 3? Negative 18. Plus 4 times a? 4a. 4 times 2? So 12a plus 4a? 16a. What's negative 18 plus 8? Okay, between 18 and 8, which one is bigger of the numbers? 18. So the answer must be negative. 18 minus 8? 10. Okay, you guys understand? Number 12. Are they like or unlike inside the bracket? Like to be? Unlike? It's like this. You like, okay. You like it, okay. So it's 3 times. What is 2a minus 1a? A plus 4a minus 2a. 2a. The multiplication before addition. So 3 times a plus 4 times 2a. 3a plus 8a. You could have multiplied that first. Is that what you want to say? Yes, you can do that method as well. You're saying she could have multiplied that first, or she did that method. Let's see. This is alternative method now. No? So 3 times 2a is 6a minus 3a plus 16a minus 8a. What is 6a minus 3a? 3a. 3a plus 16a? 19a. 19a minus 8a? 11. Which is the same as we had. Okay? You got the same answer? Nice. Let's look at B number 1. So here we are asked to subtract 2a squared minus 3a plus 3 from 4 minus 3a minus 6a squared. So what we do, we underline from, and whatever follows from we write first. So it's going to be 4 minus 3a minus 6a squared minus, and there must be a bracket here, 2a squared minus 3a plus 2. Okay. What do we do now? To get rid of the brackets, we multiply it in. So it's going to be 4 minus 3a minus 6a squared minus 2a squared plus 3a minus 2. What do I look for now? Like terms. So negative 6a squared minus 2a squared is what? Negative. Is the signs the same? Yes. So I must add the numbers. So it's minus 6 plus 2 is 8a squared. Negative 3a and positive 3a. What's minus 3a plus 3a? 0. So that's gone. And then we got 4 minus 2. What's 4 minus 2? Plus 2. So it can be 2 minus 8a squared or minus 8a squared plus 2 is the same. Okay, you guys understand? Any confusion here? No? He says subtract negative 5 minus 2ab plus 6a squared from negative 10a squared minus 3ab minus 8. Whatever follows from you, right? First. So it's going to be negative 10a squared minus 3ab minus 8 minus 5 minus 2ab plus 6a squared. What do I do now to get rid of the bracket? Multiply it. So negative 10a squared minus 3ab minus 8 plus, getting rid of the bracket now, 5 plus 2ab minus 6a squared. What do we look for now? Like terms. So you got negative 10a squared minus 6a squared. Is the signs the same? So it's going to be negative. So we must add it. What's 10 plus 6? So it's going to be 16a squared. Negative 3ab plus 2ab is 1ab. 1 or negative 1? Negative 1ab, so it's negative ab. And what is negative 8 plus 5? Negative? You all okay with that? Is there any confusion? What must be added to 2a squared minus 3 to give you 5 minus a squared? So, often I would tell the learner to replace whatever this number is here with, whatever that expression is with a number. So I go with 5. What must be added to 5 to give you 8? And the answer is 3. Not so. What it says, okay, how do we get 3? It's 8 minus 5. Can you see 8 minus 5 is 3? So what is on 8's place? 5 minus 5a squared. Must be minus by that. Can you see that, people? With brackets, 2a squared minus 3. Okay. To get rid of the brackets, I multiply in. So that's going to give you 5 minus 5a squared minus 2a squared plus 3. Now we're going to look for like terms. So what's 5 plus 3? 5 plus 3 is 8. Minus 5a squared minus 2a squared is negative 7a squared. Or you're going to be negative 7a squared plus 8. Okay. See any confusion there? No confusion. Next, number 4. Yes? Sorry? What's negative times negative? So it must be positive. Positive 3. Did you put a bracket around this, Michael? That is 1. If there's more than one term following a negative sign, you must put a bracket. Okay? Make a note thing. I think we made a note already when we were doing a chapter, the previous chapters. Again, that you see the wording is the same. What must be added to? So in other words, it's minus 3 minus 4a minus 2. Okay. So what do we do here? Get rid of the bracket. So it's going to be negative 3 minus 4a plus 2. So that's again like terms. So minus 3 plus 2 is negative 1 minus 4. Or negative 4a plus minus 1. So negative 4a minus 1. Okay, now moving to slow, no? Yes, okay, I'll pick up the pace a bit. People, inside the brackets, they ask you to simplify. Inside the bracket, is it like or unlike terms? Like. So it's going to be negative 2a into 5a minus 3a. So negative times positive is negative. 2a times 2a, 4a squared. All okay with that? Let's do number 2. What do you notice here? Is subtraction and multiplication. According to Bodmas, what must be done first? Multiplication. That needs to be done first. So it's negative 3a minus 2a times 3, 6a. What's minus 3a minus 6a? Negative 9. Not 9a squared. Why not? In adding, subtracting, the variables stay the same. Number 3. We got x minus x times y minus x. So what must be done first? Multiplication. So it's going to be x minus xy minus x. Now we're going to look for like term. So what is x minus x? Cancels out. Not so. Answer is negative. Number 4. Is the numerator like or unlike terms? Unlike. So what do? We put each one over its own. So it's 4x over 2 minus 8y over 2. 2 going to 2 once, 2 going to 4 twice, so it's 2x. 2 going to 2 once, 2 going to 8 twice, 4 times. So it's going to be minus 4. You all okay with that? Okay, you can't subtract it, unlike this. Let's look at number 5. How many terms are there? How many terms are there? 2 terms. What separates terms? Positive and negative sign. So we must first get rid of this bracket, not so. So we got x. What's negative y times x? Negative xy. What's negative y times negative y? Positive y squared. Is there any like terms there? No. So what do? We leave it like that. Okay. Look at number 6. So what happens here? Get rid of the bracket, you multiply. So you get x minus y. What's negative times positive? Negative. Negative x. What's negative times negative? Positive. So what do? We're going to add like terms. So x minus x is? What's x minus x? 0. They cancel. What's minus y plus y? 0. You can't just write y. If you write y, you're going to be a 1. Not so. So what do I write as an answer? The answer is 0. So why didn't I write 0 earlier on when it cancelled? Because negative xy plus 0 will give you negative xy. But because everything cancelled here, that's why I put a 0. So your answer is 0. Okay? Number 7. So you multiply in to get rid of the brackets. So you got 3 over 4. Multiply by 12 over 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 12. 3 times. 3 times 3 is? So it's 9x. Can you see that, people? 3 over 4 times 8 over 1. 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 8 twice. 3 times 2 is 6. So positive times negative is negative 6. You all understand? Any confusion there? Right, let's carry on. Number 8. So what needs to be done here? Get rid of the bracket, multiply. So what's x times x squared? X cubed. X times xy? X squared y. X times y squared? Xy squared. Now negative y times x squared? Negative x squared y, or yx squared. What's negative y times xy? Negative xy squared. Negative y times positive y squared? Y. Some of you said yx squared, which is not wrong, but we tend to write things in alphabetical order. So in the exam, if you wrote yx squared, you won't be penalized. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay? But just for conformity, we tend to write things in alphabetical order. Okay? So what do we look for now? Like terms. So there's no like term to x cubed. So you got negative, you got x squared y minus x squared y. What's x squared y minus x squared y? 0. We cancel. What is xy squared minus xy squared? Also 0. Cancel. And we left with minus y cubed. That like or unlike terms? But the exponents are the same. The bases are not the same. The variables are not the same. Okay? You all understand? Let's carry on. People, the numerator, are they like or unlike? Like to be unlike, no? The variables are not the same. No? So we write each one over its own. So we get 18x cubed over negative 6x minus 12x squared over 12x squared y over negative 6x plus 24xy squared over negative 6x. So what do we do now? Simplify. 6 going to 6 once, 6 going to 18, 3 times. There's a 1 on that x, not so. So it's going to be negative 3x squared. Negative divided by negative is positive. 6 goes into 6 once, 6 going to 12, twice. So it's 2. X squared over x is x, 1. What's positive divided by negative? Negative. 6 goes into 6 once, 6 going to 24, 4 times. X's cancel. Leaves you with y squared. Okay, any confusion there? No? The last one. Number 10. Is there any like terms in the numerator? No. So I can write each one of its own. So it's going to be 3x over 3 plus 6 over 3 minus 12x over 6 minus 6 over 6. Did you all write that? Anybody write something different? So you all got it wrong. Why? Because this is supposed to be a bracket. More than one term following a negative sign. Can you see that, people? More than one term following a negative sign. So I must put that bracket in. Sorry about this. I think the smart board is outdated now, no? They're going to come servers soon. Okay. Probably next week sometime. So we struggle along in the meantime. So 3's cancel, not so. So it's x plus, what's 6 over 3? 2. Minus 6 going to 6 once, 6 going to 12, twice. So it's going to be 2x minus 6 cancel 6 leaves you with. You all agree with that, people? So what do I do now? You get rid of the bracket. So that will simply give us x plus 2. What's positive times negative? Negative 2x. Negative times negative is plus 1. So these are your like terms. So what is x minus 2x? It's going to be negative x. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it's minus x plus. People, you guys understand? Any confusion there? No? So please make a note there. That's a common made error that learners make in maths. Okay, the brackets there. That is always the learner always loses that mark there, and the other one here further up as well. We have deleted that page already. Or this one here. They also don't. They forget to put the bracket. Okay. So at this point, we'll stop the video.